In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome Incognito history. Incognito mode is designed to avoid saving your browsing in Chrome's history, and according to Chrome's own documentation, those pages aren't stored once you're done. That said, traces of where you've been can sometimes remain elsewhere on your device or network. I'll walk you through how to tidy up what's on your computer so your session data is cleared as thoroughly as possible. First, close all incognito windows. This is the core behavior of incognito. Once every incognito tab and window is closed, Chrome removes the temporary session data tied to that session. Make sure you don't leave a single incognito window open in the background. After you've closed them, fully exit Chrome so the browser can finish cleaning up. On desktop, use the standard quit option to ensure it's completely closed. Users and official documentation both confirm that once all incognito windows are closed, the session disappears. Next, clear Chrome's browsing data to remove cookies, cached files, and related site data that might still linger. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and choose Delete Browsing Data. If you want to jump straight there, paste Chrome/settings clear browser data into the address bar. In the dialog, select Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time, then click Delete Data. Keep in mind this may sign you out of websites and can make pages load a bit slower the first time afterward because the cache is rebuilt. If you're on Windows, flush your DNS cache to remove local DNS lookups that could reveal recently visited sites. Press the Windows key and R together, type CMD, and press Enter to open Command Prompt. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This step clears DNS traces stored by your system. A quick restart of your computer can also help clear temporary DNS and session data that may not disappear until the system fully reboots. It's a simple step that ensures any lingering temporary information is refreshed. Before we wrap up, an important privacy note. Clearing incognito traces on your device does not remove records kept elsewhere. Your internet provider or network administrator may still have logs. Routers can keep their own histories, and websites or servers you visited can retain their logs too. What we've done here cleans up your local machine. It can't erase external records. And that's it. Close incognito, clear Chrome data, flush DNS on Windows, and restart for good measure.